Welcome to another showing of The Cocktail Enthusiast with myself, The Cocktail Enthusiast. I'm hitting you guys with a reality check that you probably don't want to hear. Fall starts this week. I know, we're at the end of the line, summer's done. We're gonna close it out in style though. I'm showing you guys a cocktail off the deep end. We're looking at how to make a glowing gecko. Let's go. As always, if you like what you're about to see, hit that like button, click that subscribe button so I can continue to give you, the viewer, that entertaining juice, that flavor, that What? Oh yeah. Now let's take a look at what you're gonna need to make this cocktail. You're gonna want melon liqueur of your choice. I'm going with McGuinness because that's all we got in Toronto. White rum, vodka, lime juice, simple syrup, a lemon, and today's glass of choice, a martini. Now for the pour, first you're gonna want half of an ounce of white rum. Next, you're gonna pour in half of an ounce of vodka. After this, we're gonna add in 1 1/4 ounce of lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, and lastly, 1 ounce of your melon liqueur. Now you wanna get some ice tossed into your shaker, and you know how we do it. We use that Ziploc bag, because we're making cocktails at home. Now let's get this guy sealed up. It's time to shake off those demons. Now you want to grab your glass out the fridge or freezer, and then we're going to fine strain our mix to catch all those ice chunks. Finally, for our garnish, we're going to add some color to this cocktail with a lemon peel. Now, I don't know what you call this pattern in specific, but it's like I guess, a wave form. Maybe like a wave peel. Let's call it a wave peel, okay? I'm using a wave peel as the garnish. And now, it's time for the taste rating.
Give your meat a good old rub.
All right, so I have no idea what to expect from this gecko. I'm just gonna take the garnish off because we don't need this, and we're gonna dive right in there. Oh, that's tasty. That lime really hits too. Woo, Jesus. That's tasty. She's strong. She's very strong. I like this one. The half of an ounce of rum and vodka was a good call. It perfectly blends together and it doesn't outshine the melon liqueur. It does a great job staying in the back lines. It doesn't interfere with the main flavor, which is the melon. I like it. It's a good one. The glowing gecko, in my opinion, is the perfect way to cheers the finale of summer. It has color, it has flavor, vibrance, zest, zing, you name it. It'll get those toes tingling, get your heart rate up, but don't take my word for it. You take a sip and love life. I realized I didn't say that in my last video. I notice everything. I know. So you can expect to see my next video next week. I've been on a roll. I've been consistent. I'm pumping content for you guys. I hope you appreciate it. I appreciate it. I'll see you next week. Until then though, sink your teeth into this cocktail. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't in the comments below because I can take both ends of the spectrum. And always remember, I'm not a bartender nor a specialist. I'm just a cocktail enthusiast making some good ass cocktails and having a good ass time. I'll see you next week for that cocktail. I'm gonna finish this one though and enjoy what's left of my weekend. You should try this cocktail, man. I feel like if you like melon, you'd like it. This would be a big one for you, I think. I'll see you for that next drink. Until then, enjoy your day, enjoy your week. See you on Monday. Well, no, I'm not gonna say Monday. See you next week. There you go. My God. Oh, the heartburn.